Alright guys, so that's the park right over there that I'll be performing.
All the Jamaican flags, guys.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hola, my amigos.
Hi. Just putting my belt on, guys.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It's a brand new day, and we finally pick up the rental. There's so much to talk about on this trip so far.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, I thought Melbourne and Geelong were one whole city.
Yeah, it's separate actually.
Actually not.
Yeah, so when they say we were going to Melbourne, it's actually we were going to Geelong. Yeah, it's different.
It's different, all right.
Yeah.
But and it's not swimming weather, that's for sure.
Yep. Okay.
No, just yeah, it's not swimming weather, guys.
Yeah.
So
we didn't plan for the weather properly.
yeah.
Bring tall pants, but never bring no jumper. Bring one jacket.
This is it.
Yeah.
This is what I'm wearing.
But every second you see the sun come out, you see it get cloudy and the rain start fall. That's what we see so far.
It's pretty bad at the moment, guys.
Yeah.
To be honest with you, I don't know if this festival is gonna go ahead with the weather.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, but I'm hoping for the best because I really want to see Babe on stage and I want to see him at his full potential. He's been practicing and whatnot.
You know what I mean?
Jeez,
And
my boobs look big in this camp on this bloody. Yeah. Anyways.
yeah. We heard that it's gonna be a packed place, so yeah. Let's see.
Let's see, guys. It's just been a real place for us, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, just if you look outside, the weather is pretty crappy.
Yeah.
So we're going to go to the big Westfield shopping centre.
Yeah, man.
And hopefully grab some warm clothes. Yep. Oh, there's a winery. This is Melbourne, Geelong, guys. Oh, goodness gracious me.
When I get confused with that a couple times. You can see lots of old buildings like designed from, you know, back in the day. Baby and dog.
You could pick a color to be next road they love you because they know that our blood is all the same.
Hi guys, so we're doing last minute
Shopping.
warm clothes shopping because it's
Yeah.
cold. Like I'm freezing in what I'm wearing,
Yeah.
and I need to put shoes on. Shoes, we're getting shoes.
Yeah, so
Warm.
just grab like a jacket here and a shirt. You see me? So yeah, trying to get warm and for the show. I hope everything go well, you know. Yeah, so we're in Big W
Yeah.
at the
I
moment.
think we're not gonna go get shoes from here.
Oh my god.
It's whatever.
Let's
Yeah.
see.
Oh. Walking, guys, you know, always be looking for something warm to wear. Yeah, I think I'm good. Alright, I think let's go.
Want to show them what you got?
Oh, yeah, just a warm cardigan, guys.
Yeah.
I just wanted something open, so yeah.
Alright guys, so that's the park right over there that I'll be performing. Well, as you guys can see, it's raining as well, so yeah. What time does it start, babe?
It starts now,
Starts
but
now.
we're not going to go until a little bit later.
Yeah, because I perform at what, 3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, the rain seemed like it wanna spoil the fun. But yeah, you can see them. I do them thing over there, set up tents and all that. Let me try zoom in a bit. Yeah. Yo, the rain man, what go
All
on?
the Jamaican flags, guys.
Yeah, but they say it's still on, so the rain not gonna stop it. That's a bunch of Africans right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably gonna have lots of Africans turn out.
Okay, yeah, so it was good that I got shoes, man.
I heard the sound system there.
Yeah, it's good I got shoes, yo.
Yo.
I had to go, guys. I had to go and buy shoes because I just brought sandals basically,
Yeah.
and I didn't think this weather was going to be like this. So yeah, we had to redo a whole wardrobe, guys.
Yeah, man.
Anyway, just bought a jacket and some shoes and some socks, and that's basically it, really.
Yeah,
Because I only brought this as a jacket, a jean jacket, and I'm still cold, so go figure. Happy days, guys, happy days.
Yeah, man. I can hear the song. What kind
Yeah,
of music they
the song.
playing?
Wait.
Probably reggae.
Yeah.
Nurse Gregory
Isaac.
Isaac. Only you alone can quench the
Yes.
It's gonna be a mad event.
Yeah. Rain, hail, or shine, guys.
Yo, man, I
It's
tell
what
you.
it is.
Yeah,
Can't
man.
wait.
So we are going, man. We'll get something to eat and all of that, and you know, get ready for this.
Yeah.
So
Get
stay
ready for
tuned,
this
guys. Stay
Yeah,
tuned.
yeah.
Yeah, guys. So this is where we're staying. Beautiful.
So this is the entry to the place we're staying. They've got a few little, looks like cottages. So we're staying here at only Woody Park only. So it's called Woody Nook. I just love the designs, beautiful little designs around, and the plants, so pretty. Like, we've kept it. It's a hidden gem within a hidden gem. It's absolutely beautiful. And this is the entry. If you go through here, there's not really much there, but they're all like little gems, and it's just beautiful. I really like it. So this is the entry through this gate here. A little courtyard or a little yard to sit down and chill. Nicely done. A few little bit of plants here to admire the beauty of the place. It's pretty. A lemon and orange tree actually, which is beautiful. So this is the entry of the door, and beautiful little work that they've done. Woody Nook. So entering the doors, got a little lounge here to chill out, and little seating area here, little beautiful bright windows. What I love about this place, guys, is I love the curtains. The curtains are just amazing. Like this, this is some artwork. This is really good. You know, I just enjoy the arts around the place. Like, it is, you know, absolutely, yeah, just a really nice little place to get away for a day or 2 days. It's really nice. Yep. So this acknowledgement to the country is basically we acknowledge the Wada Wurrung, the tradition custodians of the land upon which this cottage stands. we pay our respects to their elders past and present. So just paying our respects to the Indigenous people that were here before us. And then, yep, beautiful little arts and that. And so then, so you got your little kitchen here, kitchenette, and then your toilet, your bathroom. I also love this, guys. This is my favorite. I absolutely adore it. And wow, it's raining. What's that? Yeah, beautiful art. And then there's Babes. And then the bedroom, the bed. Yeah, I slept very comfortable last night. It was a very comfortable sleep too. So even though we got in very early of the morning. So if you see outside here, you get like little arts, like they put like little arts and that, and like, you know, to cover privacy, all of that, because it's a few little villas. My other favorite thing I love is this. I absolutely love this. Isn't that just amazing? I want one. I wouldn't mind a few of those around the house. Yeah. So this is the weather in Melbourne though. This is what it's like. It's bipolar. It kind of rains, it's sunny, and all of the rest of it. And that's outside now. This looks like a door, doesn't it? And it's, I love the little keys and that to it. But if you open up, it's just a cupboard with a few little extras in it. Yeah, there's another blanket there, baby, if we get cold at night, which is good. It's amazing, guys. I really highly recommend, if you're traveling to Geelong, please come out and check out this place. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, it's a nice little place to get away.
Definitely.
You reckon?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, that's good. So that is it, guys. This is really, really nice, really pretty, and just really relaxing. Okay. Till next time.